just less money. I just want more Jesus. I don't know if I got any witnesses up here, but I found out, Brother Barnes, the more money you have, the more problems you have. So I'm done with money. I want more Jesus. Anybody want more Jesus? My God, look, watch this. So he tells him, he says you got to increase, and when you increase, you have to make sure that he's becoming bigger inside of you, which means you are maturing. The Lord requires that when an individual grows up, the Lord requires a non-stop progress in development. A non-stop progress in development means you are growing, Candace, and what's happening is that as you are growing, you're trying to avoid distractions. I wish I had somebody in here that knew what I was talking about. Because in order for a plant to grow, it cannot handle any distractions. If you want it to obtain sunlight to grow, you can expect for it to grow in the dark. So therefore, you have to keep it outside for a consistent process of growth. Bishop, where you going with this? I don't know who I'm preaching to in here, but in order for you to have a consistent process of growth, you have to stay in something that's consistent. Where am I going with this? Let me just really get on your level. If you really want to grow in the Lord, the only best easy process of growth for you is to stay consistent in the Word. Oh God, I wish I had somebody that can talk back to me. What I'm trying to tell you is that you can expect to grow in Christ if you come to church one Sunday but don't come back the next. I wish I had a church in here. Y'all don't want to talk back to me today, but that's all right. The Lord told me in 2015, Bishop, just preach yourself happy. If you really want to grow in the Lord, you can't pray tonight and never pray again. Tell your neighbor you got to be consistent. If you really want to grow in the Lord, you can't read the Bible one day and then pick it back up around Easter. You've got to stay consistent in the Word, because in order to grow, He requires a non-stop progress. Tell your neighbor you can't stop growing. You can't stop. And you cannot allow yourself to become distracted about